Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter 2 dimensional figures. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 4 maths. Let's just start with the lesson 2 dimensional figures. We're going to start with the first lesson, that is open and closed shapes, right? So let's just start with the first lesson, that is open and closed. So how do we know if a shape is open or closed? If your start and end point of a figure is same, that means that is the closed figure, right? That means if you start, hold on. Okay, so you have to trace the shape, right? If you start and end at the same point, that means the shape is closed. And if you start and end at different points, that means the shape is open, right? So you can see this is the closed shape. If you start with this point, you can end on the same point. So that is the closed shape, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, is this shape open or closed? Which is the correct option? If you start tracing the shape, you start and end on the same point, right? So is it open or closed? This is a closed shape, right? Okay, is this shape open or closed? The correct option is yes, open, because you can start or you cannot start or end at the same point, right? Okay, is this shape open or closed? Which is the correct option? Yes, this one is open. Is this shape open or closed? It is closed. Is this shape open or closed? Yes, it is open. Is this shape open or closed? Yes, it is open, closed, right? Closed it is. Is this shape open or closed? Yes, it is. Closed. Is this shape open or closed? Yes, it is open. Is this shape open or closed? Yes, it is open. Is this shape open or closed? Yes, it is open, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is it a polygon? Okay, is this a polygon? No. Polygon is a closed sided shape, right? This one is the open sided shape, so this isn't a polygon, right? Polygon is a closed sided shape. Is this a polygon? Yes, it is a polygon. It is a closed sided shape and have corners, so yes, it is a polygon. Is this a polygon, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is a polygon, right? Is this a polygon? The correct option is yes, it is a polygon. The correct option is oh no, sorry, that is an open shape, so no polygon. The correct option is no, this isn't a polygon. The correct option is no. Okay, is this a polygon, which is the correct option? Yes. No polygon. Polygon must have corners, right? This isn't the polygon, right? Although it is closed, but no, not polygon, right? Is this a polygon? The correct option is no, this isn't a polygon. Is this a polygon, which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is a polygon. Is this a polygon? Yes or no? This isn't a polygon. Is this a polygon? Yes or no? The correct option is no. Is this a polygon? The correct option is yes, it is a polygon. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, next lesson is number of sides in polygons. You have to how many sides in a polygon, right? Let's just start with the next lesson. Test questions. How many sides does a heptagon have? Which is the correct option? Heptagon have seven sides. The correct option is seven. No, heptagon have seven sides. Have the correct is seven. How many shapes does a quadrilateral have? Which option? The correct option is quad means four, right? So quadrilateral have four sides. The correct option is four. Very good. Quadrilateral have four. Quad means four. Okay, how many sides does a pentagon have? Which is the correct option? Nine or five? Pentagon have five sides. The correct option is five. Pentagon have five. Okay. The next one is how many sides does a nonagon have? Which is the correct option? The correct option is nonagon have nine sides. The correct option is nine, right? How many sides does a triangle have? Which is the correct option? Triangle have just three sides, right? Okay, so if we classify the polygons according to the shape, triangle have three sides. You can note it down, right? Triangle have three sides. Quadrilateral have four. Pentagon have 5, hexagon have 6, triangle. Tri means 3. This is R. Then you have quadrilateral. Quad means 4. Then you have pentagon. Penta means 5. Hexagon. Hexa means 6. Then you have heptagon. Hepta means 7. Octagon. Octa means you have 8 sides. Then nunangon. Nunangon means you have 9. Then decagon. Decagon means you have 10 sides, right? These are the sides according to the this is the classification of the quadrilaterals, right? Okay, let's just start with the next question. You can note down this. Okay, let's just start with the next question, the next lesson. And the next lesson is parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting lines, right? Let's just discuss the lines, right? Okay, here are the, let me just explain. For example, you have two lines like this. They are the two parallel lines. No matter how long you make them, they never intersect each other. Parallel line never intersect, right? Then you have perpendicular lines, two lines like this. If they make the angle of 90-degree, they are the perpendicular angles, perpendicular lines. The next one is intersecting lines. If two lines intersect at only one point, that means they are the intersecting lines, right? So this is the classification of lines. We have the parallel lines. Parallel lines never intersect each other. We have the perpendicular lines. These are the two lines that have 90-degree angles, and then the lines that are intersect, the one lines that intersect at one point, right? Let's just start with the practice questions, a quick questions. Okay, are these lines perpendicular? Yes or no? The correct option is they are perpendicular lines. Yes, they are perpendicular lines. They can make the angle of 90-degree, right? So they are perpendicular lines. Are these lines intersecting? Which is the correct option? Yes, it is. The lines are intersecting at a point, so they are the intersecting lines. Are these lines perpendicular? No, not perpendicular, right? Perpendicular lines are the one that makes 90-degree angle. Are these lines parallel? Which is the correct option? Yes, they are the parallel lines. They never intersect each other, so they are parallel. Are these lines parallel? No, they are the intersecting lines, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, let's just move on to next lesson. The next one is lines, line segments, and rays. Okay, let's just see what are the lines. Lines, what happened? Lines, okay. What is this? This is a line segment, right? The line segment has two endpoints like this. This is the line segment, right? Okay, then what is this? The second one on if you have both sides arrow, that means that is the line and it never ends. You can extend any of the side, right? And have the next one that is if you have on one side you have an arrow and the one side you like this, that means that is a ray. The ray has only one endpoint, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What is this, line or ray? This is the ray. The ray has only one endpoint, so that is a ray. What is this? Ray, line, segment. That is the line segment, right? You can extend on either way. That is a line segment. Okay, what is this? Line or ray? That is a line, right? You can extend in either way. So that is a line. What is this? Line, ray. This is the ray. Line can be extended in either ways, right? This is the line. What is this? Line, line segment. Line segment it is, right? Okay, what is this? Line, ray, which is the correct option? Line it is, right? The correct option is line. Okay, the next one is, what is this? Line, segment, line. Which is the correct option? They are the line segment, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is parts of a circle. Okay, let me just explain the circle. Okay, here is the shape circle, right? Here is the center of the circle. C, or usually represented by. So if you draw a line from the center of the circle to any end of the circle, that is known as the radius of the circle, right? From that connects the center to the side, that is the center of the circle, right? If you make a line that passes through the center and connect the 2 points on a circle, that would be diameter, right? You can see here is the radius, half is radius, double is, that means diameter equal 2 times r, right? Radius is all, any of the side have the same value, right? So just from the center to this point is the radius, and the one that passes through the center of the circle and connect 2 points on the circle is the diameter, right? Okay, if you have a line that touch the 2 points on the circle but never passes through the center, that is the chord, that is the chord, that is the diameter, because diameter is passing through the center, right? Diameter is 2 times the radius, or you can say radius is half the diameter, right? If this complete from here to here is diameter, the half one is the radius, right? Line segment, this is the line segment. You can extend in any way, that is the line segment, right? Okay, now let's just start with the lesson, that is parts of a circle. Okay, what is NO? You can see N is the center of the circle. That is the radius of the circle, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is QR? Is it chord or radius? Which is the correct option? That is the chord, not radius. Radius is the one that starts from the center of the circle and touch any point on the circle. But that is the chord that is not passing through the center of the circle, so that would be a chord. Got it? Okay, the next one is, what is K? Is it center or chord? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is the center. K is the center of the circle. What is LM? Is it chord or center? Which is the correct option? Chord it is, right? That is the chord. What is RS? Which is the correct option? Is it radius or chord? Radius it is. That is the radius of the circle. Okay, is XY. Is it diameter or radius? Which is the correct option? That is the diameter, right? Because that is passing through the center of the circle. So that is the diameter of the circle, right? What is QR? Is it chord or radius? Which is the correct option? Chord it is. That is the chord. What is U? Which is the correct option? U is the center of the circle. What is NO? Radius or center? That is the radius. The correct option is radius. What is ST? Which is the correct option? That is the chord, right? What is TU, which is the correct option? Diameter or radius? TU is the diameter of the circle. Very good. What is EF, which is the correct option? Center, radius. EF is the EF is the radius. The correct option is radius. What is S, which is the correct option? S is the S is the center of the circle. The correct option is center. What is JK, center or diameter, which is the correct option? The correct option is JK is the diameter. And chord diameter, which is the correct option? The correct option is MN is the chord on a circle. What is X? That is the center of the circle. What is QR, which is the correct option? Radius or diameter? QR is the diameter of the circle. What is UV, which is the correct option? UV is the chord on the circle. What is KL, which is the correct option? KL is the radius of the circle, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 4 math. The chapter we were working on is two-dimensional figures. The lessons we have covered today are open and closed shapes. Is it a polygon? Number of sides in a polygon? Parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting lines. Lines, line segments, and rays. And parts of a circle, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. We are finished. So if you have any question related to the lesson we just did, you can answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask question if you have any. We're almost finished, don't worry. So if you have any question related to the lesson, you can please ask. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.